The breast cancer walk means a lot to me because I started the breast cancer walk when I was a freshman here at FLUCOTV County High School in remembrance of my aunt.
I think the best part is just seeing the students come out and hang out with each other and have a good time while also supporting a great cause like breast cancer. And this walk is especially important to the teachers here at the school because they worked with Miss Parrish, who is the main reason we do this walk.
So this is important to me that we do this because Harriet was my aunt and she fought for many years and she was a teacher here for over 30 years. So it's important to recognize her contributions to Footage-Owen County High School and then to also recognize, you know, the importance of the awareness of breast cancer.
My name is Shelley Callahan and I'm the Director of Development with the Virginia Breast Cancer Foundation. Breast cancer to me means community. There's no one that I can think of that isn't touched by breast cancer, whether it's someone that's dealing with it themselves or they're having a family member like a mother or a sister or someone that's caretaking with someone for breast cancer. It's a part of our community that really needs a lot of attention and understanding so that we can support the people that are going through it and that we can give them the best opportunities possible to survive this really terrible disease.
What's the best part about the breast cancer walk?
Raising money and walking for a good cause.
I really love working on fundraisers, so I helped plan all of the fundraisers that we did at the table, and I helped like set up the table when we were selling tickets, and it's just really fun to like plan it with the group of people because they're all amazing people, and like go through all the steps and like do all of the things, and then like get here and be able to look out and see everyone like having a blast, and it's really fun.
I love the day. I love seeing all the kids out on the field. They're playing, they're socializing. Usually it's beautiful, bright and sunny, but it's a fantastic day to get the kids out here, especially it's in memory of Harriet, so it just all comes together really well.